You just tell me if you have any doubt or something like that. Okay, so GitHub, you have any idea, you guys? You know GitHub? Huh? Basically, maintain a profile, add something, and multiple people will have access to it. That's for your personal profile. But uh, any other uh, uh, any other idea you have, like apart from like maintaining your personal things? Yeah, what about version? Okay, searching. Searching projects. Okay, so like so first question is like why do we need GitHub? Okay, so mainly I can say, let's say there is a project that 5 people working together in industry. Like we should have one central repository, right? Like where the main files will be there, one repository will be there. Okay, so from that anyone can make the changes, or you can, let's say there is let's say we are working in some kind of project. Let's say one coding project we are working with you, let's say with you are working. Right? So there will be, you will be making some changes. You will be making, but every time I need the files, or like I need to make some changes. So I need the latest files, right? So I need to ask him like, do you have any changes done after that? Or then again need to ask him also, do you have any changes? If the changes are there, then you have to merge everything, right? Then again only I can start. So these things like it cannot be done. Let's say there is a thing is big or something. So that thing cannot be done like every time we go. You see if every time like going back to the same people and asking for that changes and everything. Okay. So for that purpose, we have the GitHub. So there, what happens is like one main you can understand like some repository you can understand. Like let's say only understand by some file system. Okay, just the one main file system you can understand. There, anyone can copy from it. Anyone can add any changes, or anyone can add on. We'll get to know like who is done the changes at what time. So that's the main purpose, like just to organize the project. So we use the GitHub for that. Okay, so this session, like this PPT has some basic commands. Like what are the basic commands for GitHub, and you can just go through it. These are like version control. You can like go back and any time of the changes of the project, you can revert any changes, or you need some older version of the code. Let's say you'll see in the version, right? Like this is version 2.1, 2.2. We'll upgrading the projects accordingly. So if you want the older version, that also you can do. Then collaboration, then cloud backup. Means everything is stored there, nothing in the server. I mean, it will go in the main server. So locally, you don't need to worry about losing the data or something. These are code history, industry standards. Okay. So main thing like working directory. One is staging. Uh, Staging means like before uploading your code or something, you just and then this repository data permanently stores and save that snapshot. So these are basic commands we have. So git clone. So if you go to the GitHub, if you create one repository, you will get one URL from there. From that URL, anyone can copy or download any file. Let's say in one project, there is 20 files are there, or yeah, 20 files, but maintained in some hierarchical order of files. Let's say this is the design files, this is the layout files. So if you just go and download one by one, you have downloading the files. Again, you have to reorganize everything in your desktop so that you can run the project, right? So if you just do git clone, everything will download to your system, and file system will be managed. So that's like if you work in some project, then you will understand like this importance of this git clone, and it's just a copy. Okay, instead of downloading one by one, you just type one command, everything will be come and download in your file system. Git pull is like pulling the changes. Let's say I want to work in some project, then I will pull the latest changes. Like so, no need to ask like you have done any changes or something. I can just pull and give the change. Git add means this will be using when you are adding the files. You have created one file, main project you can say, where you want to add your changes or add files on. So you can use Git add there. Next, Git commit, then message. Like this is the message. Like you can let's say you have done some changes in your code. Now you want to upload that. So before that, you have to git commit. This command you have to run, and -m. Then in message you have to write like what this is for changes. Like these are the changes I have done. Then you can like so that people can understand. You will be also be able to see that this is the commit done by let's say Bharat at time this. So this is the this message or something. Okay, and then this is the final command. Once you type this, your changes will be uploaded. Okay. So there is only one task I want to give for this. You have to create one repository. Then you have to perform this operation. Okay. You have to first manually upload any file. Then you just type git clone like see everything is coming on now. Then you have to do one git pull command also. Then git add, git commit, git push. These things you just have to run and show me. This one I'm not sure you can run in your server or not. If not, then I will share some local way, okay, of doing it. Because I'm not sure you will be able to do it. Or you can just type git version also, you will be able to see if it is there or not in your server. Okay, that's for today, not the big session, just a small session. Only for GitHub. Next, we will go for the skill, okay? That will be a little important for you. But before that, complete this one task and the before task also. Send this by like Saturday. If you don't send it by Saturday, then I'll report. Okay. Yesterday is last skill. Yesterday was. So yeah, this one I'll share some way to how to do it. Okay.